What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you are going to see how to recover WhatsApp deleted messages. So let's get right into the video. Make sure you have backed up your WhatsApp, and once you have done it, head over to your My Files. If you don't have it, you just can download it from your Play Store and head over to internal storage, and here go to Android, and here you can see an option data. So all you have to do is go to data and search for WhatsApp, and they will allow you to show WhatsApp's backup messages and files, etc., whatever you need. So all you have to do is get into it and download it, and then go to your PC or laptop, whatever you use, and then when you share it on your PC, you just can open it and you can find all your deleted messages right there. Hope this video will help you out, and make sure to like it and subscribe our channel, and we will see you in the next one.